I started with, I think, the one starting from underhand, and then I'm using the giant to get to the other side, and then on the other side, I'm doing the one starting from overhand. If you're starting from the overhand cap here, okay, so presuming you're an overhand opposite on the front and you bring it to the back, right? Let's see. On the extension, what you're doing is you're coming up and over the top using an opposite direction turn. So my right hand would come up and over just like I do in the giant, and then my left hand would come up and stay there just like I would in a giant too. And then similarly, if you're starting an underhand on your front, with that one, you start up top. And then what'll happen is they both come down and then back up into the other one. So your left hand, well, you're in your cap, you get to the top and boom. And then your right one, you come down from the top and get back up to the top. So you're doing a full circle in the turn. It's either top to top or bottom to bottom, depending on which one you're starting with. If you're starting with underhand, it's top to top. If you're starting with overhand, it's bottom to bottom. So now I demonstrated the left turn, right? So I showed you starting from overhand, where you go that way, and then starting from underhands, where you go that way. You might prefer the right turn. Bottom to bottom, and then it's top to top. Bottom, top. I am so much more comfortable with my left turn. Oh my goodness. It is a C cap behind the back turnaround, and then you're using the extension. So you're using the in spin to turn rather than the anti-spin. Because in theory, never tried this before, but in theory, you could, okay, like that, which I know isn't clean, but that's the general sentiment, and then hold on. So it's bottom, right there. And then it would be from the top. The opposite rule is going the other way. I mean, what you're really doing there is you're using it behind the back, forward pedal, anti-spin, turn in an opposite direction to get around, instead of the giant.